Hello, this video is to assist you with updating and customizing your prices for given brands. This is not a product by product pricing, rather this is for on a brand level. What you're going to do is you're going to go into the admin, we're going to go to the products module and go to the suppliers. Now please keep in mind that any given supplier might have 20 to 50 different plans depending on the volume that you're purchasing with them. So while you might get 30% off, somebody else might get 35 or 40% off. So given that we can't take into account all of the thousands of possibilities, so what we've done is we've gone ahead and breaking it out this way. Let's say for instance we're going to go with Cherokee. We're going to go over here to the edit gear and click into here. On the others tab, you'll notice that we have all of the brands broken down. Now they give us map, so we can break this down by brand. And so we can say we're going to go above map by an amount or percentage. So we're going to say that now the pricing is going to be map plus 12%. In addition, you can also round up, round down, so that it ends in a number that you would like it to end in. For instance, everybody likes it to end in 99 cents. Maybe for ASICs, you'll need to go above map by 8%. So you can customize for each brand within a supplier. So that way, you can affect bulk pricing changes without going in and changing every single product. If you were to go in to change every single product, it would be time consuming and it would end up hard locking the product, which would then no longer allow syndication, as we see up here, that let's say when Cherokee updates pricing, that product would no longer be updated and the inventory would not be accurate. So now I'm going with anywhere products above map by 12%, rounding up to 99 cents. And you would do this for each brand in a given supplier. Now some suppliers give us map, some suppliers give us MSRP. So please keep that in mind when you make your adjustments. So I'm going to go ahead and save and exit. So now I know that I adjusted anywhere in ASICs by percentage amount. To verify this, I can simply go to View Products. From this page, I'm going to break this down to 20 products, just to give you a little more view. And I'm going to go into the Advanced Search. So I'm going to go in to the brands and I'm going to go to Anywhere. And I'm going to click Submit. And so now we see that the price is $45, but I'm up by 12%, rounding it to the nearest 99 cents. So my actual selling price is going to be above $45, and this is what the public will see. I hope that this tutorial has been of assistance and helped you. If you have any questions or concerns, please email us at support@sellerscommerce.com. Thank you.